What you're seeing is the initial setup screen for Web3 Enabler on Salesforce. So we're typing permissions in the research bar to set up these permissions. Our goal here is to build out an integration user. So we're going to create a new user. And so in Salesforce, this is going to be an admin because of the security protocols of this platform. And we're going to name this user Web3 Enabler Connected App. So here we're assigning the app to this user. Using the research bar, we're going to search for users again, and we're going to create an integration user. And now we're going to assign the permissions that we created to this specific integration user we have created. And so now this user is authorized to integrate Web3 Enabler to Salesforce. We're also going to give this user the managed integration. All of that is clearly explained in the admin guide. Now going to the Web3 Enabler setup. As you can see, all the instructions are detailed for CRM users so that they are not lost, of course. So let's go to the setup. We're going to click on Authorize My Org. So for the demo purposes, here we are connecting with our sandbox account. So here, this is Web3 integration at moon.com, but of course it will be the one from your company. And we've logged in. As you can see, installation succeeded, Web3 Enabler connected. Congratulations. So now that Web3 Enabler is connected to Salesforce, you can see a few systems here. Org wallets, accounts, inbound blockchain transactions, outbound blockchain transactions, account wallets, and reports and asset tokens. So we're going to click on asset tokens here. Here, for the sake of the demo, we're going to create a USDC token, the one from Circle. Notice that you can set the date of the conversion rate for extra precision in your counting or budget management. Here, this is not necessary because we have a one-to-one conversion rate. This is the principle of USDC to USD. But of course, we could imagine that in a multi-currency system where you would have to convert USDC to a specific fiat currency. Again, let's create a second asset token. And this is how you list the cryptocurrencies you want to be paid in. Now let's see the org wallet menu. The org wallets menu is basically listing all the wallets on which you want to receive funds. So here, for example, we're going to create a MetaMask on iPhone wallet. So basically, this will be the one on an iPhone from a person using MetaMask. We're selecting all the networks. And now, as you can see, there is a connect button here. And as you can see, we're now prompted to sign in with Ethereum, and we can choose between a variety of wallets. So for this demo, we're using Wallet Connect, and it's pretty easy. You just have to scan the QR code with your phone. So it's a phone wallet. And so when this is done, Web3 Enabler on your desktop will tell you to save your wallet. Of course, this can be done by a few persons in your org. It can be done by the accounting department or a sales rep, for example. Really, any person who's got access to the wallet. And so we're saving the wallet address, and it's been successfully connected. Refreshing and going back to the org wallet, you can see that now you have a wallet address and a QR payment link that you can send to your customers. For the sake of this demo, we are of course using test networks, which is why we're ticking the box here. But in real life, you could use any wallet. And so when we're clicking on the QR payment link, there's a QR code for phone users, and there is the address so that desktop and laptop users can copy-paste it. Allowing your customers to send payments is quite similar. This time we're not creating an org wallet, but we're creating an account wallet. And so on Salesforce, your sales administrator will probably be able to set up some kind of automation, and you can do that directly from the opportunity in your CRM. Here we're creating an account wallet for this customer. We're going to name it Account 2 because that's the name of the account we have on our test cell phone for this demo. And now connecting the customer's wallet is pretty simple. It's just that the customer is going to receive an email, either manually sent or automatically sent by your sales rep. So for this demo, we're doing it ourselves, and that's why the background is black. It's because we're using the incognito mode to not be logged on our previous account. And as you can see, it's the same process overall. We can save this wallet address as well. And now we're told wallet connected. Back to Salesforce and back to the account wallet, we can see that the QR payment URL has appeared and the wallet address has appeared. Again, we're ticking the box to put this into test wallet mode. And as you can see, there's a QR code and, again, a public address. And now, time to get a simulated payment done. So here's the payment link, and from our phone on our side, we're going to send 100 USDC. Back to Salesforce, we can either consult the inbound blockchain transactions log or go to the org wallet and look at the list of the inbound transactions on this specific wallet. And of course, since this is a test transaction, if we load the details of this transaction, you can see that it is not related to an opportunity, and that's because it's a test transaction. The box is ticked here. That's also why the fields on the right, like network, asset token, and so on, are blank. But of course, these fields would be filled in a real opportunity, and the on-chain data here is always available, even in a test transaction, so you can see the transaction hash, the transaction timestamp, and of course you can see the transaction on Etherscan. That's it. Outbound transactions work exactly the same way, so you exactly know how to use Web3 Enabler.